How to choose durable Toyota Tacoma hood struts. Key factors you should know. Behind every reliable gas shocks, it starts with precision manufacturing. With over 25 years of experience, we focus on high-quality automotive gas struts. Each gas spring shock is built and tested to last longer. Time to replace your Tacoma hood struts. Secure the hood and remove the top bolt. Next, remove the bottom bolt. Install the new gas lift shock and snap it into place. Upgraded Tacoma hood lift supports provide smooth and stable lifting. Choose gas stack for durable Toyota hood lift supports you can rely on.